Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here again with this poem, the second part, and the name of the poem is A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. So let's see what is happening here and what has been written here. So it is in the news that all these pitiful kin are to be bought out and mercifully gathered in to live in villages next to the theatre and the store. So the poet is expecting and also telling that it is in the news, means it was in the news from government that all these pitiable, means pitiable conditioned dwellers who are poor people and are to be bought out, means they will be they will be to be kept kept in the villages, and also they will be mercifully gathered, means they will be gathered in to live village, means to improve their condition. So it is in the news that all the poor people who are owner of roadside, that will be there and that will be gathered, that will be taken into to live in the villages and next to the theatre and the store, and they will be living in the next, means very close to the theatres and storerooms, where they would not have to think for themselves anymore, means they at that time, means when they will be living in village, they will be giving facilities, they will be gathered, or they will be there giving facilities by the government, so they will not have to think about their life, while greedy good doers beneficent beasts of prey, because who will be there to support them, who will be there to support those poor people, those people are also greedy and they are doing due to some benefits, so they have made these people their prey and these people are their victims. So some over their lives enforcing benefits, and they have gathered their life, they have taken their lives to sure that they will be benefited and that are calculated to soothe them out of their wits. And also those rich people who have promised that they will improve their life, they will improve their condition. So then they explained it, and they had made them calm and quiet and comfortable, and these tricks are not understood by the poor people, that they are becoming prey of those rich people. So and by teaching them now how to sleep, they sleep all day, means first they would say to those poor people that we will improve your life and sleep comfortably, and when they come to know that they have become only prey, they have become only victim of those rich people, of those greedy doers, then when they go to ask that they have become victim, they have become prey, so the rich people, they just sleep all the day, means they don't pay attention, right? So it is to deceive people, to deceive those people who are road stand owners, and to taking means by taking their land, by taking their things whatever are with them, to make their own benefits by the rich people, by the greedy doers, destroy their sleeping at night, in this way they become worried. अब ये पुअर पीपल जब उनको लगता है कि उनको डिसीव किया गया, उनको बेवकूफ़ बनाया गया, तो वो उनकी नींद उड़ जाती है, दे बिकम लाइक एंशेंट पीपल, so sleeping as before they were sleeping. Sometimes I feel myself I can hardly bear the thought of so much childish longing in vain, and the poet is feeling much upset because he thinks very much about this, because this is only childish longing, that these greedy people, these rich people, they are just improving the life of those poor people. It is in vain, it is in it is in useless, no profit is there. The sadness that lurks near the open window there, open window of those road stand owners, they have in the hope that they will be having their well improved condition, and they have opened their windows there to just think that they will have improved lives, but it is not in reality. That waits all day in almost open prayer, and they pray for that, and also they pray for that to stop any vehicle by its brakes, means squealing means making a sound, creating a sound of brake, and the sound of stopping car means those owner of the roadside stand, they are waiting for any car to be stopped there, because they want to sell their things. So of all the thousand selfish cars and pass, means selfish people, they are inside their cars and they pass only, they don't purchase anything. So just want to inquire what are farmers prices are. They even not ask about the prices of those vegetables, fruits, whatever they are selling. And one did stop. अगर कोई रुकता भी है only to plow up grass, so they just spoil their grasses, they just uproot the grasses in front of their shop, and in using the yard to back and turn. So if anyone would stop, only to back, only to turn around, not to purchase anything, and another to ask the way where it was bound. Another person if he would stop, only to ask whether the road was moving, so whether the way was leading. And another to ask would sell it gallon of gas. Another person, if he would ask anything, only to ask about fuel, and that is compulsory for his car, and they couldn't. This crossly means being rude. They had none, didn't it see? Means they are not, means the owner of the roadside stand is being very rude. Means if they are not clear, they are not looking कि all the owners, they are not selling gallon of gas, कि मतलब वो तो वेजिटेबल्स बेच रहे हैं, वो सब्जियां बेच रहे हैं, फ्रूट्स बेच रहे हैं, वो गैस थोड़ी ना बेच रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट सेलिंग पेट्रोल, डीजल और गैस. नो, इन कंट्री मनी, द कंट्री स्केल ऑफ गेन, the requisite lift of spirit has never been found, or so the voice of the country seems to complain. I can't help owning the great relief it would be. The poet is feeling helpless here, and he is also totally distressed that these country people, these rich people, they are not thinking to just make improve the life of the people who are poor to improve, but they are thinking about their own benefit. So there is difference between rich people and poor people. Now the poet thinks that nothing can be done, because some people, they are not thinking to improve the poor people condition, and the poet thinks that the spirit to scale new heights, to break the shackles of economic dependency, is not present in the rustics. So that's why they do not stop complaining against the economic inequalities. The poet strongly feels that the countryside people should be freed from the pain of poverty and deprivation. Next morning, when the poet gains his senses, he wonders what if someone else thinks in the same manner for him, so that he is gently relieved from his pain and agony of seeing the miserable condition of these people. So means he is much upset looking at the condition of the poor people, that is miserable condition, that is painful, and then he is wonder how he should like those people to come, and he offers those people to come and to share their pain with the poet, and offer to put me gently out of my pain. And he offers those people to come to him so that he could also be able to move out from his pain. Okay students, here it is about flower of cities here metaphor, and polished traffic is here epithet. Means polished traffic is actually luxurious cars, and here it is indicating traffic, so here epithet. Okay students, I hope you would have understood well, and find out yourself rhyming scheme. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind. Stay safe, keep safe yourself, and take precautions so that you can save yourself, you can make safe yourself, your family, and this society. Okay, bye. Jai Hind, friends.